Okay, this is a room tour of Caribe 738 on the Grand Princess. It has the key slot. You go in, and to the right is the closet. And it's fairly roomy. It's got enough room that you can put your suitcases underneath. Over here is a closet with shelves and the safe. Now, I haven't used that much of it, but it's I got my one bag there with the from the packing tubes in there. We've got the closet. In the bathroom there are some shelves. There's a sink and a mirror. There's a towel rack and some more towels. You can ask for more. The toilet, of course, and the shower with the shower curtain. Shower curtains, I think, are sometimes better depending on size. Through the hallway we come in, and the bed here is made up as a double. The two twins are put together. There are nightstands on each side. There's a round table. Over here is a mini fridge. I have the bottle of wine in there I traded out my mini bar because I'm elite. There's a shelf here. This shelf used to have the TV on it, and it's good for storage. I got my camera equipment there. And now the TV is on the wall, and it's on demand. So, looking out, there's the balcony. We'll get out there in a second. I wanted to show you these lamps. These lamps came in from the dry dock, and they have these nice on and off switches, so you just toggle them. And they each have USB ports, which is lovely. So that makes it very handy. Then behind there we have the lights for the room, both the hallway and the main room. And then there's the mirror again. And over here there is the outlets, and there's two US outlets here that you can plug in. I plug in a USB hub, so I get 6 extra USB ports. And then here's the hair dryer right there. That can be not that great. Depends on the amount of hair. So if you want to actually bring your own, you could handle it through using the US outlet. There, of course, is the phone. So over here is the balcony, and we're on Caribe Deck. So Caribe Deck has the larger balconies, and so they're actually 9 by 9, which they have 2 chairs. Each of them have footstools. And we got the larger table. It's more like a dining table. And you can compare here. It's partly covered, partly uncovered, but it's 9 by 9, whereas the ones above are 9 by 5. And when you look down, you get a nice view out. But if you look down, you get the view of Dolphin Deck with their totally uncovered mini suites. But you can see all the way down the way, and there's the bridge way at the other end there. So we can go and zoom in on the bridge. And that is a tour of Caribe 738.